on to the question number 6. Here we are comparing two student-faculty interaction profile using different distance measure, Euclidean Manhattan, Minkowski, and supremum distance. This measures help us understand how different two multidimensional profiles are. So let's get started. So we have two profiles, x is equals to 2, 4, 10, and y is equals to 2, 0, 36. Each of these three value represents hours spent in mentoring, project review attendant, and infrastructure usage count. So first, let's compute the Euclidean distance, which measures the straight line distance between the 2 points in three-dimensional space by the formula square root x1 minus y1 square plus y2 minus y2 square plus x3 minus y3 square, which calculates the square root of 1016, which is approximately equal to 31.87. So the Euclidean distance is equal to 31.87. So then moving on to the Manhattan. Next, the Manhattan distance, also known as L1 distance. This is like walking in a grid, just like the sum of absolute differences across the each dimension. So by the formula, D is equals to modulus x minus x1 plus x2 minus y2 and y3 minus y3. So by calculating 21 minus 20 is equals to 18, 4 minus 0 is equals to 4, and 10 minus 36 is equals to 26. Add them up, 18 plus 4 plus 26 is equals to 48, so the minute distance is equal to 48. This gives the total movement needed if we travel only horizontally and vertically between the 2 points. And then Minkowski distance, where r is equals to 3. So this is a generalized form of distance measurement. So where r increases, the other difference get more weight. The formula is x1 minus y1 whole cube, x2 minus y2 cube, and y3 minus y3 whole cube to the power 1 by 3. So here compute each term. 18 to the power 3 is 5832. 4 to the power 3 is 64, and 26 to the power 3 is 17576. By adding them up, we get 23472 to the power 1 by 3, which is approximately equal to 28.69. So the Minkowski distance is equals to 28.69. Now moving on to the supremum distance, so also called L infinite distance. This measure simply looks at the maximum absolute difference across all attributes. So 2 minus 20 is equals to 40, 4 minus 0 is equals to 4, and 10 minus 36 is equal to 26. So supremum distance is equal to 26. So this tells us the dimension where the two profiles differ the most, which in the case is infrastructure usage. So here's a quick comparison of all four distance measures: Euclidean distance 31.87, straight line distance, and Manhattan 48, sum of absolute differences. Minkowski is 28.69, generalized weight distance, and supremum distance is 26, maximum single difference. So each distance type highlights a different perspective of how different the two profiles really are. So that's how you compare the four major distance measures between the multi-dimensional profiles